This magnet is customized design for round steel. The diameter of testing steel is 350 millimeters, confirming with your need.
The magnet is designed to lift single round steel. Can it lift multiple workpieces?
Theoretically, but you'd better not to do that. Considering the safety factor, the maximum lifting load is suggested to be 10 tons. Let's lift multiple round steel of diameter of 210 millimeters. It's capable to lift 3, but not all of them are in the range of safe zone.
You mean except the right one. Others are safely attracted. How about only lifting 2?
It's not for multiple round steel, so the effective magnetic zone must be taken into account. Both of 2 are in effective zone. They are attracted stably.
May I kick them? They won't fall, right? Come and kick these.
Still stable, no worries.
Let me try. Pay attention to it. Watch this.
What if power failure?
Electro permanent magnet can keep magnetic without electricity. Seen? Still magnetic.